welcome back to Fashion Friday. Today I'm here with my sister Kadence, and we are doing a collab on Kadence's one outfit, 3 different colors. Make sure to check out Kadence's video to see how she dresses her outfits 3 different ways. So let's go. Okay, so my first style tip is layers. Layers can add pop of color and it can add dimension, and one of my favorite things to layer is a tank top over a regular t-shirt because I just think it looks super 90s and super cute. Look how cute this looks. I love the look of it. I just think it looks super stylish, and you're gonna be looking like a fashionista with layers and nice thing. Gonna be looking super cute. So the next thing that I think is good to layer is a jacket, because even though it's summertime and it's gonna be hot, a light jacket or a swishy jacket would be perfect because it adds dimension, and if you're going to the movies or some other places where it's not as hot in the summer, it would be perfect if it's a little more chilly. So a light jacket is perfect. I love this one. I just think it makes it look super sporty and super cute, and I just feel like jackets make the outfit and just have it pop. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. So my next style tip is accessories. Accessories can make your outfit from drab to fab. It can just make it pop. You can add belts, mini backpacks, fanny packs, and my personal favorite, hair accessories. You guys know I love my hair accessories. Accessories can really make your outfit pop. Here is my finished look with all of my accessories. I really like how it turned out. I have my rainbow belt that has like a little pouch right here. It's super cute and sparkly. And then I have this mini backpack that has a pink pom-pom and some jewels on the back. I think it looks really cute and it adds some pop to the outfit. And then my hair butterfly clips and my pom-poms. I absolutely love it because hair clips are my favorite part of my outfit. It just makes me so happy. So now we're just gonna switch out the accessories, do a little switcheroonie, and create another look with this plain outfit. Look how much of a difference all of the accessories made. It makes it look like a whole new outfit. And I really like the theme of it, like a daisy, black and yellow. I think I kind of like this one better than the last one, the rainbow one we did. With this daisy belt with a little pouch, that's super cute. Then a black scrunchie, and then the clips, the yellow and white clips. I think it just makes this outfit really special. That sounded weird, but I just really like this outfit. Accessories are definitely a way to spice up an outfit and make it look completely different. And accessories can be really different. It could be belts, bags, even makeup or jewelry. It can all switch up the look. All you need is a little accessories to make a big difference. And my third way to style a basic outfit is shoes. Shoes can take you a long mile. Shoes can make your outfit seem fancy, your outfit seem sporty, your outfit seem casual. It can really change the whole entire look. You want to be cash. Sometimes you want to be sleepy and just wear your bunny slippers. So let's say for this outfit, I'm going to be a little more sporty. So if I want to be sporty, I could wear some Vans. Look how completely this outfit looks. Look Look how completely different this outfit looks with tennis shoes. It looks sporty and cute. Sporty, about to run a mile. Outfit looks super cute and sporty with these tennis shoes, but let's see how it looks with sandals. And just like that, you have a whole different look. Instead of going running at the park, just gonna take a little stroll in nice sandals. It makes it look pretty casual. That didn't work out as I planned. So be cute. So let's say you're living your best life and your mom comes in and says, "Oh, I gotta go to dinner," but you can't wear your sandals. What do? You think your outfit looks super cute with sandals, but you can switch it up a little bit and it would still look super cute. Instead of sandals, wear some really fancy flats. It doesn't even have to be super fancy, it can just be kind of fancy. And do a layer, and look at this. We have combined every style tip, accessories, shoes, and layers, and we made a basic jean and shirt outfit look super nice and fancy. I love this look a lot, actually. Can definitely take a basic shirt and jean combo and style it a million different ways. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. It doesn't matter, it will probably always work. Okay guys, so I hope you did enjoy this video, but remember this is a collab video with my Girl with Heart sister Kadence. Make sure you go check out her video on how to style a basic outfit 3 ways. I'll put the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!